Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio. I am doing a flip through of kit 4 of my Summer's Bounty digital series. There's 5 kits in total. They're broken up, like one is journal pages, one is coordinating pages and pattern pages, another one is labels, tabs, and tags, and that sort of thing. So this is 4. It's 20 pages. You can find the links to the other kits that go with this series down below. And also keep in mind that you can pick and choose because they are really great embellishments or words or ephemera that go with so many different themes. So they can be used as standalones as well. You don't have to get all the kits. So we have the first page. I offer them in 2 different finishes. One is just a soft little, just sort of an off-white color. And then, of course, we have the really distressed look. And they come in, these ones come in large, medium, and small. So there's the words in the 3 different sizes. Press print once and you'll have everything you need. So there we go again, the distressed. And then this is a whole nother set of words in the large, the medium, and the small. So we have things like fruit trees and flowering garden, honey, herb garden, hens and chicks, chirping birds, garden seeds, harvest. The first set of words, there was lots of words you could use in all kinds of kits like accomplish and growth, happy possibilities, persevere, bountiful. Yeah. And then, of course, wherever there's some empty pages, empty spots on the page, I put some ephemera. So there's those same words now in the distressed, large, medium, and small. And then we have some sentiments. Summer is my favorite color. Enjoy the beauty. Sow kindness. A garden of memories. A season of growth. How lovely. So yeah, you can see there's a lot of words in here that could be used year-round as well. And a really pretty piece of ephemera here with a Garden of Memories poem. The lady watering her garden. And there it is in the size medium. And then the small. Some ephemera. And then the same thing, but in the darker distressed coloring. And then the sentiments in the red that match the kit in the 3 sizes. And then the green that matches the kit in the 3 sizes. And then we have definitions, 8 definitions in, I think, just the 2 sizes. Yeah, oh no, sorry, 3. So we have large, medium, and small. And I absolutely love these ephemera pages. Insects, which isn't for everyone. And then the birds. And there they are in the distressed. Lots of cool ephemera. And then I absolutely love these. Super cool. I took those definitions and they are on tags that that work with a kit. Yeah. And then there they are, small. You could even print it again at 50%. Oh, maybe the font might be too small. But my thought was it'd be cool, even with this, to dangle them from some larger tags and ephemera and stuff. So yeah, there you go. That is kit number 4, Summer's Bounty Word Definitions and Sentiments. So hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.